Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make your lock screen change pictures. So if you want your iPhone lock screen to change pictures each time you click on the screen or each time you unlock your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make your iPhone screen change pictures, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper. Now click on add new wallpaper. Under add new wallpaper, click on photo shuffle. Then here you'll be prompted to choose either people and nature or you want to use feature photo, but in this case let's use select photo manually. This will allow you to select your choice of photo that you want to use as photo shuffle or lock screen photo wallpaper. So scroll through your picture like this to select the photo you want to set as wallpaper on your iPhone screen. Then select it, then select again, then you can keep selecting the photo or picture you want to set as your iPhone wallpaper on lock screen. So just keep selecting them. You see that? So now we have selected 20 different photos. Now go ahead and click on add at top right. Now once you click on the add button, then this is going to be the photo. So if you click on it, you see the lock screen wallpaper changed. However, if you want to change how the lock screen wallpaper operates, click on this three dots and then select to show frequency. So you can use daily, so that shows the lock screen wallpaper will be changing every day. You can use hourly, that shows every 1 hour the iPhone screen wallpaper will be changing. Then if you click on unlock, each time your iPhone screen is locked, the lock screen picture is going to change. And if you click on tap, each time you tap your iPhone screen, then the picture will be changed. So just go ahead and select your choice. Here I'll go with tap. Once selected that, go ahead and click on add at top right. Then if you see saving, you want to hang on until the selected photo is saved as your lock screen wallpaper picture. Then you're gonna see a port that says set as peer. So if you want the picture you selected to be used as both the home screen wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper, click on set as peer. Otherwise, select customize home screen. So in this case, set as peer, and then hang on once you see current wallpaper. Now, to confirm whether your iPhone lock screen is going to change with picture, then lock your iPhone screen and then tap it. You see that? So each time you click on lock screen on your iPhone, then the pictures is going to change. You see that? So that is exactly how to make your lock screen change pictures. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.